Hey guys, it's Michael. Welcome back to another Apps Every Day. Today we're taking a look at the Oculus app. If you don't already know, the Oculus is a VR headset, and they basically have 3 or 4 different versions, which is very key when choosing when you first start using this app. In the top left, you'll notice that it says Quest, because I have the Oculus Quest headset, so this is showing me games and apps that are available for that headset. And then you have the Oculus Go, and then the Oculus Rift and the Rift S. Now, I do believe they are working on cross-platforming these so that you can, buy a Rift game on the Quest and then Go game on the Quest, and vice versa. Like anything else, there's essentially a entry level, which is the Go. The Quest is kind of the mid-range level, so it's going to be a little bit higher quality games and visual playback. And then you have the Rift and Rift S, which connect to your actual computer and handle that power. So that's going to be the highest quality version. And to be clear, when I say the highest quality, I mean that the games that are developed for these different platforms are allowed to have more computer resources the higher you go, and therefore they're going to be better visually looking games. But sticking to Quest here, on your homepage, it basically gives you a bunch of recommendations. This is based on things that you may like, but also kind of just a big ad for the latest apps and games and entertainment things that have been released. And then you can go under store, and this is going to be the full store, allowing you to search by genre, top selling charts. And it's cool because you can also see what's coming next, so you can either pre-order things or just get excited and wanting to come back. Now, for any of these games, obviously when you tap on it, the first thing that's going to pop up is a video trailer, so to speak. This is so you can get a taste for what the first person view experience is relatively going to be like. Pretty typical video game trailer ad sort of thing. And as you swipe to the right, you'll basically get screenshots of what the gameplay actually looks like. Below that, you'll get a star rating as well as a comfort mode, essentially. This is telling you if you get motion sickness very easily. It's basically telling you how much this game is going to affect that. It makes sense that in an action game, you're going to be kind of turning around a lot. You're going to be firing a weapon, and a lot of commotion is probably going to be happening on the screen. So if you get motion sickness very easily, this may not be the game for you. You'll see the ones that, I forget the verbiage, I think it says comfort, like easy or normal or light or something like that, but it'll be green. And that basically is the games that have very little movement and therefore a lot nicer for the people who have those issues. Below that, you have the game description, which you can read through basically what the game is and whatever the developer wants to put in there. You can see the supported platform. So again, this is a higher quality game, so it's only supported on the Quest and the Rift. And then you get the beautiful reviews. Continuing on the bottom, we have events, and yes, you have actual events. So whether it's concerts or like magic shows or something, basically someone is hired to put a 360 camera at these events, and you get a first person view into just like having a ticket being at that event. So pretty cool. Just like every other gaming platform, you can add your friends. So it's going to recommend people that have one of the Oculus headsets, or at least download the Oculus app. So you can always add people here if you don't see them on the list already. And you have your settings on the far right, where you can pair a new headset. In this way, if you were to buy something in the store, it's instantly going to sync that to your headset. And one of the last things is this is also where you will cast. So if you're wearing the headset or someone else is, and you want yourself or a group of people to be able to watch what that person is seeing, in the top right to the left of the bell icon is your little cast option. And this is where you can connect to the headset and see what the headset is seeing. And that's a quick look at the Oculus app. If you have one of these headsets, then you know how much fun it is, and you can access this both obviously on the phone, as well as the same library exists in the headset itself. So you can buy and search different apps either way. Either way, a link for Oculus products will be in the description down below. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.